Welcome to the Daily Decrypt, where currency competition is the name of the game. I am your host, Amanda, and today's episode is brought to you by BitShares. Web and mobile wallets, which support multiple cryptocurrencies, make it easier to, say, try out a new coin, or just to keep balances of various currencies all in one place. The Daily Decrypt knows of 4 such wallets, and we'd like to give you a brief review of them now. The first is Holy Transaction. This wallet is web-only and has the option of two-factor authentication. It supports 11 networks, including Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Blackcoin, Dash, Peercoin, Omni, Tether, Ethereum, Gridcoin, and Ribbit rewards. And it offers one address only per currency. Next is CryptoNator, available on both web and mobile, and it supports two-factor authentication. The wallet is compatible with Bitcoin, Dash, Dogecoin, Emercoin, Litecoin, Paycoin, Peercoin, Blackcoin, Primecoin, Redcoin, and Vertcoin, and you can generate multiple addresses for each. The wallet has a built-in instant exchange from among these currencies, and you can also set it to automatically convert one type of currency to another every time you receive a payment. It also offers tools like a currency conversion calculator, as well as a daily winner and loser list of cryptocurrency prices. Next is CoinWallet, which is web-only and supports two-factor authentication. CoinWallet supports 60 different coins, most of the top 10 in market cap, as well as plenty others, some of which you may have never even heard of. You can generate multiple addresses per coin, and it features a proof-of-stake payment tracker for those who hold coins that pay them simply to hold coins. And finally, there's Coinami, which is a mobile-only wallet which doesn't offer two-factor authentication, at least that I can see. The Coinami wallet supports 30 different coins, including most of the top 10 in market cap, and testnet support for Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. You can also use the Shapeshift exchange from within the wallet. It automatically generates new addresses in every coin for you, and it allows you to make a single backup, which effectively backs up the balances of all your coins held within the wallet via BIP44. All told, we find that when considering ease of use, with features to supported coins, CryptoNator and Coinami both come out on top. However, Holy Transaction is the only one which supports Ethereum, and CoinWallet is the only one which tracks proof-of-stake payments. We hope you enjoyed this handy guide, and let us know in the comments section if we overlooked your favorite multi-currency wallet. Today's episode is brought to you by BitShares, the world's first delegated proof-of-stake currency. The network offers 3-second block times and an active test net, where developers are invited not only to try out their ideas, but to get paid for the deployed ones via feature-backed asset tokens. More information awaits you at bitshares.org. Thanks for watching.